Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw the BMW M5 CS. We'll start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a long, low rectangle, about 3 times as long as it is tall, to represent the car's main body. Then, divide this into 3 equal parts to guide your proportions. Next, lightly mark the 4 wheel positions, ensuring they sit low within the rectangle. Finally, outline the sleek, low roofline, connecting it smoothly to the body. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the M5 CS's distinctive silhouette. Carefully draw the main body lines, giving the car its powerful, low-slung appearance. Next, focus on the flared wheel arches. These are a key visual element, so make them prominent. Connect the front and rear arches with a subtle, flowing line for the side skirt. Finally, sculpt the hood and trunk, adding a hint of their characteristic contours. It's time to bring out the M5 CS's unique character with its signature details. Begin by sketching the iconic kidney grille, making it wide and assertive. Then, draw the slim, angular headlights, capturing their modern light signature. Next, add the aggressive front bumper details and the prominent air intakes. Finally, outline the sleek rear taillights and the 4 distinct exhaust tips, a hallmark of its performance. For our final touches, let's focus on the wheels and add some depth. Carefully draw the intricate multi-spoke wheels, capturing their detailed design. Next, add the sleek side mirrors and the flush door handles, ensuring they are correctly positioned. Finally, apply basic shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. Use darker lines for the main outlines and lighter lines for subtle details, bringing your M5 CS to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.